I introduced the playing of the flutes, whereby the children will read scores like this type. They could read this score and then play music. I wish school is in session so that you could see them playing, but they are doing well. And now, because most of them could not afford to buy the bamboo at Entebbe, which is today selling at 50 cedis, I've decided to make the plastic one for them. This one sells at 20 cedis, so at least they could afford and then use it for their practical lesson.
So this is like the PVC pipe?
Yes, I use PVC pipe.
Nice. And this is your little workshop?
Yes.
Nice.
So in order to make the music exciting and more practical.
Yeah.
You know, music learning in abstract becomes very boring.
Yeah.
But if they are playing,
yeah,
they see themselves performing.
Right.
And sometimes we organize a palungo session for them. Some play the drum, some play the flute, while some dance.
Right.
They enjoy the music. And
yeah,
some also play the guitar.
Yeah.
Also play the
You
guitar.
gotta learn how to play that thing.
Guys, alumni, this is not good. This is UPS, University Primary School playground. This is not good because the kids are playing on these, and these are rusty. These are super old. I graduated in 90, somewhere in 90, and these swings precede me. So let's replace them, get them new equipment. We can do it. Contact your year group, organize yourselves, get some money together. Let's take it. Let's get it to the headmaster and headmistress, whoever is there, and let's replace this equipment. Let's do it.